Pratt Leadership Consulting focuses on people, passion, and leadership. That is why we strive to develop effective leadership workshops, providing skills to manage employees and eliminate those dysfunctional behaviors. Stop sexual harassment, bullying, inappropriate age-related comments, and other unethical behaviors before they start. Our unique workshops deliver effective learning content, providing skills and knowledge your team requires to reach optimum teamwork and organizational goals. Management best practices inspire your leaders to achieve a competitive corporate culture, cohesive teams, and effective leadership skills that increase employee satisfaction. Combining your talent with Pratt Leadership Consulting presents solutions that raise employee engagement and cohesive teams. Today, you are one step closer to realizing high-performing teams and quality leaders who drive your organization toward being the best in your industry. For more information, contact Pratt Leadership Consulting at 770-800-2706. Stay up to date with current leadership information and technology. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook.